information and knowledge regarding cosmetic gynecology, and this platform has provided a wonderful opportunity in this field, and I'm kind of enlightened and confident to practice cosmetic gynecology.
And Dr. 𝗪𝘰𝗻 was an excellent person, very humble person, and he teaches only the genuine stuff, what you should do and what you should not do. The more he teaches us what not to do, unethically, illegally, everything. So it is a must course for every gynecologist there to know more about and to explore more in this field. And he is the right person to do. And the experience here is awesome. It was all well taken care, every doubt answered, and all physical demonstrations given on the patients.
This course was really helpful. It was a 3 days hands-on course, wherein from the basics of all the machines which can be used, what can be done for SUI, what cannot be done for SUI, what are the other options for the female, and it was completely a hands-on process wherein everybody was given the machine, use it and try it for yourself.
Gynacs and whosoever wishes to join this course to explore the untouched world universe of cosmetic gynecology under the guidance of Dr. 𝗪𝘰𝗻. Thank you so much.